Strength training is essential for everyone, regardless of age. It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for anyone who wants to live a healthier, more active life. It helps us stay functional, independent, and resilient. By engaging in regular strength training, we can maintain our ability to perform everyday tasks with ease. Building muscle mass improves our metabolism, strengthens our bones, and boosts our energy levels. This means we can enjoy more activities and have the stamina to keep up with our busy lives. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This decline can start as early as our 30s and accelerates as we get older. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to weakness, frailty, and an increased risk of falls. It can make simple tasks like lifting groceries or climbing stairs more challenging. Strength training helps combat these effects, improving our balance, coordination, and overall quality of life. It's never too late to start, and the benefits can be seen at any age. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Engaging in regular strength training can also have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Strength training can also enhance our mood, improve sleep quality, and boost cognitive function. It can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, making us feel more positive and focused. It empowers us to perform daily tasks with ease and maintain our independence as we age. This sense of empowerment can lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete, incorporating strength training into your routine is crucial for a healthier and more fulfilling life. It's a key component of overall wellness that should not be overlooked. Squats, deadlifts, and rows are fundamental compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They are highly effective for building overall strength, improving posture, and enhancing athletic performance. Squats target the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, strengthening the lower body and core. Deadlifts work the back, legs, and core, building full body strength and improving grip strength. Rows strengthen the back muscles, improve posture, and help prevent imbalances caused by excessive pushing movements. Mastering these exercises provides a solid foundation for a well-rounded strength training program. They challenge multiple muscle groups, leading to efficient and effective workouts. If you're new to strength training, start with bodyweight variations or lighter weights. Focus on proper form and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. For squat modifications, begin with chair squats or wall sits to build lower body strength. For deadlift modifications, start with lighter dumbbells or kettlebells, focusing on maintaining a flat back. For row modifications, use resistance bands or a cable machine to perform rows with controlled movements. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to start slow. Consistency and proper form are key to progressing safely and effectively. The ideal training frequency and rest periods depend on your fitness level, training intensity, and individual goals. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing for at least 1 day of rest between workouts. Rest is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. During rest periods, our bodies repair and rebuild muscle tissue that has been broken down during exercise. Adequate sleep, hydration, and nutrition also play vital roles in muscle recovery. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your training frequency and rest periods as needed. Overtraining can lead to injury, fatigue, and burnout. Consistency and a balanced approach are key to long-term success. Section 5. Safety first. Injury prevention and proper form. Maintaining proper form during strength training is crucial for preventing injuries. Here are some essential tips to keep in mind. Always start with a light warm-up to prepare your muscles for exercise. Focus on maintaining correct posture and alignment throughout each exercise. Avoid using momentum or swinging weights. Control the movement throughout the entire range of motion. If you experience any pain, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Remember, consistency and proper form are more important than lifting heavy weights. Prioritize your safety and well-being throughout your fitness journey. Section 6. Fueling your workouts. Nutrition for strength training. In this section, we will explore the importance of proper nutrition and how it can significantly impact your strength training results. Proper nutrition is essential for supporting your strength training efforts and maximizing your results. Without the right nutrients, your body won't be able to perform at its best or recover efficiently. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a vital role in your overall fitness and muscle building journey. Adequate protein intake is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Protein helps to rebuild the muscle fibers that are broken down during intense workouts. Include lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, and tofu in your diet. These sources provide high-quality protein without excessive fat. Carbs provide energy for your workouts. They are the primary fuel source for high-intensity training sessions. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread. These carbs release energy slowly, keeping you fueled for longer periods. Healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. Include sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil in your diet. These fats are essential for maintaining cell structure and function. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key to maintaining performance and preventing fatigue, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Water helps to regulate your body temperature and transport nutrients to your muscles. Proper nutrition fuels your body, optimizes recovery, and enhances your performance. By paying attention to what you eat and drink, you can achieve your strength training goals more effectively and efficiently. Section 7. The power of progress, tracking your fitness journey. Tracking your progress is a powerful motivator and helps you stay accountable to your fitness goals. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to monitor your sets, reps, and weight used for each exercise. Celebrate your achievements along the way, whether it's lifting heavier weights, performing more reps, or simply feeling stronger and more energized. Acknowledge your progress and use it as fuel to keep going. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by tracking your progress and celebrating your wins, you'll stay motivated and committed to your goals. Section 8. Beyond the basics, expanding your exercise repertoire. Once you've mastered the basic exercises, gradually incorporate variations and new exercises into your routine. This helps challenge your muscles in new ways, prevents plateaus, and keeps your workouts engaging. Experiment with different training methods such as circuit training, supersets, and drop sets to add variety and intensity to your workouts. Consult with a certified personal trainer to get personalized guidance and explore new exercises safely and effectively. Continuously challenging yourself and exploring new exercises keeps your body guessing and promotes long-term progress and enjoyment in your fitness journey. Section 9. Staying motivated, tips for long-term success. Staying motivated is key to maintaining a consistent strength training routine. Without motivation, it's easy to fall off track and lose sight of your fitness goals. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to share your fitness journey with can make a huge difference. Exercising with a friend or family member can provide support, accountability, and make workouts more enjoyable. Set realistic goals that are achievable and measurable. Start with achievable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This helps prevent burnout and keeps you motivated. Make it fun by incorporating activities you love. Choose activities you enjoy and vary your routine to keep things interesting. This can include group classes, outdoor activities, or trying new sports. Reward yourself for milestones. Celebrate your achievements with non-food rewards such as new workout gear or a relaxing massage. These rewards can serve as motivation to keep pushing forward. Remember, consistency is key. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your weekly routine and find ways to make it enjoyable and rewarding. Consistency will lead to long-term success and help you achieve your fitness goals. Section 10. Embrace the journey. Your path to a stronger you. Embarking on a strength training journey is an investment in your health, well-being, and longevity. It's a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and transformation. Remember to be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never be afraid to ask for help along the way. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the pursuit of strength is a lifelong endeavor that brings countless physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Embrace the journey, stay consistent, and enjoy the transformative power of strength training. Share this video if you found it helpful, and give it a thumbs up. And for those of you ready to commit to strength and longevity, drop a comment below with "I just subscribed, so I live 100 years and beyond." Let's get stronger together.